The open source community has just dropped a bombshell. LTX2, a revolutionary AI model that's giving closed source giants a run for their money. Marcus, what are you hearing?
Thanks, Sarah. The silence is deafening. No statement from Google, no response by ByteDance or any of the major players. The tech giants built these walls, but LTX2 just proved anyone with a laptop can tear them down. Back to you in the...
You won't believe this. Someone tried to teach their cat to skateboard, and it actually rolled halfway down the street.
And that's the kind of headline I want every morning. Forget politics, give me cats on wheels.
And here, in the wild expanse of the suburban kitchen, we witness a most peculiar ritual. The human, armed with nothing but a spoon, attempts to balance it perfectly upon their nose. Notice the concentration, the furrowed brow, the sheer determination, all for an act that serves no evolutionary purpose whatsoever. Yet in this moment, it is a triumph of silliness.
Hey folks, welcome back. I'm Ashish, and today we're talking about something super exciting in the AI community. There's a brand new open source model called LTX2. Now, you might have heard of 1.2 or Hanyuan, but this one's on another level. Why? Because LTX2 doesn't just generate videos. It also adds some audio and background audio into it, right? It's one single model for everything. So you can create avatar videos, you can create scenes, you can create anything basically with this. Because before this, you have to use a lot of models to basically add audio into it. But now it's a whole text to video or image to video model, which can create audio also. So there's audio and video latent baked into it. VE also. So use this in past couple of days, and you can create good videos with under I think 2-3 minutes. I have created also 480p videos, and you can upscale it to 4K even, that they claimed, right? This is the page, and you can see there are a lot of videos here, which is they're showcasing these videos. Generate 6-second, 8-second, 10-second video of high fidelity video with synchronized audio in just seconds. I have a RTX 3060 with 12GB VRAM only. So I'm going to show you how you can create these videos using LTX in just 12GB of VRAM, right? It's totally doable. So let's start the video. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe to the channel, so I can create more videos. And please just subscribe, okay? It will help me to create more videos. So let's all right, let's jump in. So the first thing is let's there are a lot of the camera angles are also good in LTX. Like 1.2 is also good with the camera angles, but LTX is I've seen some videos that I've created, camera angles are crazy, right? And this is ultra, by the way. This is, I think these are going to be used as a API. So yeah, nothing much on their platform, but yeah, this is the page, Hugging Face page of the LTX model. It is very difficult. If you go to ComfyUI, if you check out the ComfyUI page and go to templates, make sure you have updated your ComfyUI, and you will see LTX2, text to video, image to video, depth to video. These are the control lens. I'm not going to talk about these two. I'm not going to talk about the control lens right now, or even image to video or audio to video. I'm just going to talk about the simple workflow that is going to help you to create videos out of the box, right? Because it is if you click on this is like, it's the models are crazy. So the thing is that the LTX has basically a lot of models, checkpoints basically to create videos. So as you can see, there's like LTX 19 billion dev, 19 billion dev, FP8, FP4 version, quantized version, NV FP4, and there is this distill model with 8 steps and 1 CFG scale. So distill model is basically the baked in the LoRa, which can be used to create faster videos and with slight loss of the video quality, but you can create videos faster with 8 steps only, right? And for 19 billion dev model, you have to use 20 steps minimum, and you can use basically a distill LoRa 2 to create videos with the same 8/7 CFG1 using this LoRa, using the LTX model. But it is a very huge model, I must say. Okay, so another things, if you want to check out the page, you can check out the page. And if I go to files and version, as you can see, there are like tokenizer, text encoders, and latent upstairs. There are a lot of things here. And I mean, I can't run these models like 43. I cannot. I just can't. So 43 GB model for the BF16 model, I guess. Right. There's this distill model which is 27 GB. I tried, but it failed. So I created my own way to basically run the model. So a little bit of that, a little bit of this, and it's working. So there, I'm not using any of these, not distill, safe tensor even. I'm using the upscaler only, spatial upscaler. And also if you go to text encoder, you will see there are chunks, there are split files of safe tensors of text encoder also. This is Gemma 3, I guess, and they're using this text encoder for basically creating the videos as a clip model. And there's audio VAE and the video AE also. So what I do, so I'm using Kijai directory basically for the models. You can go to, if you open up the workflow, I'll share this workflow in the description. So I have downloaded these models, and the links are here. I will put this into the description also. Just download these, click on it and download it. Okay, the upscaler, the LoRa's, the Gamma 3 12 billion text encoder. I'm using FP8 version, and there's this dev model FP8 transformer. And there's this storage location where you want where you are going to put the models. And yeah, after this, as you can see, this is the let me show you the setup. So diffusion model, you are going to load diffusion model here. Then there is this upscaler, then the Gamma 3 12 billion model, the text encoder, and the embeddings also here. And there's this LTX audio VAE, and audio and video VAE because it uses audio also. And there's this video setting, some height, width, and some FPS count. In the first one, as you can see, the latent image, in the first one it uses 0.5. So if I'm using 1920 by 1080 pixels, it is in the first step, in the first sorry, it should be in the first sampling step stage, it's going to use half of the pixels, like 1280 by 720. So it gets faster results, and then after generation it's going to go from sample 1 stage to sampling 2. So in the second stage, it will upscale the video and then add details and then create the whole video. So it is faster, and it's a great way to create a video, right? Generating a very low pixel video and then upscaling it to the highest if you want, like 1080 or 4K. That's up to you. And yeah, I'm using LoRa's, like distill LoRa I'm using, but I'm using only 175 ranked LoRa, and I'm also using IC LoRa, which is a detailer of LTX2. You can find these LoRa's too in the description. You just have to download it, place it, and press R on your keyboard. It will refresh the whole thing, and yeah, that's it. You don't have to touch any of these settings. So yeah, you don't have to change anything from here. And there's a VA decode tile, because if you're using VA decode, it can I mean, it takes longer time to basically decode the whole video, and that's it. You don't have to do anything else. I think this is a good workflow to get started with. You can create videos, and if you have a good GPU, like better than mine, like I'm using only 12 GB of VRAM. If you have 16, 24, 32, then you can create this video under, I guess, a minute. I think in a minute, right? A 480p video, or maybe 720 still. So yeah, let's create videos now, and let me show you what kind of results you can get. So this is what I've created. So I can show you quickly, right? So this is the first one.
Is gone. If we don't evacuate now, we all die
We
here.
hold the line. That's what we do.
There's no line left.
Tell me you didn't just give that order.
I gave the order, sir. Sector 7 is gone. If we don't evacuate now, we all die
We
here.
hold the line. That's what we do.
There's no line left to hold.
Tell me you didn't just...
So I'm using a distill version, distill LoRa, and it's not the fine one. You can go with the 384 RAM LoRa. I'm using 175. So you can go with the good. I'm using this one 175 FP8, not even a BF16 version, because it gets heavier, 3.58 GB and also 4.88 GB. You can go with these two for better quality, right? And I'm using 0.6 value of in the distill LoRa section, and I'm using 0.8 for IC LoRa. So you can get good results with this. So let's create another one, right? So I'm because I don't have that much time to show you, and my camera is going to, I think it's going to cut the feed off after a few minutes. So I have to do this quickly. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to create 832 by 480p. Just to show you what's the video look like. I'm using 249 frames, so it is total of 10 seconds. Right? It's 10 seconds video, and this prompt is about a cyclist, a person who's going through a city, and just saying a bunch of things to the pedestrians walking by. So this is the premise, basically. Very fast, right? So let me show you the speed, the iteration speed here. So as you can see, it's going very fast, like 8 seconds per iterations. I'm using 8 steps, so it will take around 1 minute. 1 minute. 1 minute of 10 seconds maybe, right? So it's taking 1 minute, and the first stage will it's already done in 1 minute 5 seconds, and I will get a 480p video in, I think, under 2 minutes or 3 minutes, because the upscale one will take more time than the first stage, right? But it is good. I think it's good, right? And as you can see, the video is nice, right?
It's got places to be! Are you blind? Look where you're going! Learn to drive, genius! Ah! Move it! Some of us got places to be! Are you blind? Look where you're going!
This is, I mean, the quality is not that good, because I created the whole video in 480p, but as you can see, I slashed the pixels in half, so it created a 240 video, and then upscaled it into 40. So let me show you other examples that I've created. This is the output. So this is the output one.
I've waited my whole life for this moment.
Right, this is a 480p video.
You won't believe this. Someone tried to teach their cat to skateboard, and it actually rolled halfway down the street.
And that's the kind of headline I want every morning. Forget politics. Give me cats on wheels.
And in today's lighter story, a mischievous goat wandered into a grocery store and tried to snack on the produce aisle. Customers couldn't stop laughing.
Now, as you can see, the video. these are the videos that I upscaled using my own workflow. So as you can see, this is the video.
And in today's lighter story, a mischievous goat wandered into a grocery store and tried to snack on the produce aisle. Customers couldn't stop laughing.
As you can see, there are some the problems in a lip sync because I've added some.
The open source community has just dropped a bombshell. LTX2, a revolutionary AI model that's giving closed source giants a run for their money. Marcus, what are you hearing?
Because I lower the value of denoise. And this is
Thanks, Sarah. The silence is deafening. No statement from Google, no response by ByteDance or any of the major players. The tech giants built these walls, but LTX2 just proved anyone with a laptop can tear them down. Back to you in the...
Also lip sync, the problem with the lip sync. So I'm figuring out how I can get a better detail and also do not fuck up the mouth area. And yeah, I mean, this is it. I think have fun with the workflow. I can let's create one more. Okay, I'm creating one more. Stand center stage, silver hair number. Basically she's singing, right? So that's it, not a big one. She's singing in what language? Italian. All right, so let's see the video, and I think, yeah, that's it. I have to put more work into this, how to create this video, so bear with me. Right, so this is the video, and if you have any questions, do let me know in the comments, and I'll see you in the next one. Please subscribe and share the video, comment. You will find the workflow in the description, and don't forget to download all the models and put it in the right location. Right, I'll in the next video I'll show you how you can create videos using the video as an input and image as an input. Right, we'll see how we can use image to video in these control nets. Right.
Vissi d'arte, vissi d'amore.
Well, it's going to get weird because it's coming from a very wide angle, and then it's close up, and then it's going back. But the camera is getting the details when it's come to the like close up shot. When it's come to close up shot, it gets nicer. The results are nicer. Thank you for your time, and if you watched the whole video, consider giving a thumbs up to the video, and follow me and share the video and subscribe. Bye bye.